Here we are, look, there's the lake. Gonna try to get a better view by standing up on my bike. My God, isn't that the bluest lake you've ever seen in your life? Get a bit of better footage coming around this corner here. Let's catch up with the others. Give a shortcut. Wow! Wow! That's not a lake, that's an ocean! Look at that! Jeez! Have you seen anything so beautiful in your life? Here we are. We have now made it. Qomolangma Nature Reserve. So let me show you the most beautiful lake probably seen in your life. Followed by some beautiful mountains in the background there. Can you see those? Beautiful mountains, beautiful blue. Yep, we're 5,700 meters. That's a picture if ever, eh? Go on then, where are we, Ollie?
We have reached Peiku Lake at an elevation of 4,700 and something meters above sea level. Not even the highest we're going today. We're going to go all the way to 5,200 today.
I'm out of breath. Yeah.
We're all a bit out of breath. Lovely.
But we got some good drone flights, so it's worth it.
Has been brilliant. I mean, what a view.
What a place to
ride.
ride.
Mountains over there. We'll show you all when we get home.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Right, I was getting the old drone out. Gonna get some drone action.
Yes. Okay guys, now we're serious now. Now we're getting serious.
You know what I'll do? I'm gonna get it from here.
Jazz has a drone. So Harriet. Okay, anyway, let's check out the view.